Hello guys, it's me, Maloon, and I just woke up, got onto Minecraft, and I finished breakfast. That was all I did right today, and my loyal panda companion is still here, very loyal to my voice. It's morning right now, at 9:54 in the morning. Ow, 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 that hurts. And my mission is just to beat Minecraft. And I really like this. I really like this world. My loyal companion still here, still alive. Like Porky. I don't want to fall down since this is my only good world. If you don't spawn with the sheep right next to you, you're unlucky. Because sheep are the most useful mobs in Minecraft. Like beating the mobs is actually crazy hard, bro. You just need some food, you know. Just kill every mob that spawns. You just need some food, dude. The most food I have right now is Luton. I need leather to get a leather helmet. Thank you, cow. Oh, I got 2 extra leather. That's good. And now level 5. Whee! I'm just gonna eat my Miniton. Thanks, sheep. I'm just gonna chop down some wood. Thank you, world. Thank God I still have my family here. Oh. Come inside a tree. That's many wood. I might break my axe eventually. Well, trouble. Just wait, I found a stick. Free stick. A very good rate. It's so exciting. Playing Minecraft is one of my favorite things to do. It's very fun. And I'm still learning. So if you would like to help, well, please. I just want to get better. Oh, there's food. Oh no. Oh, it's not break. Nice. Best chopping experience ever. I almost broke my tool. I almost broke my ox. Bye, ox. You were loyal to me. This is my final wood to chop. Thank you. Rest in peace, ox. You were my favorite out of all of them. Now here is my shed. Oh, let's just cook some sheep. Let's cook. I'm a pig's friend. Sorry. I'm just gonna get my watermelon. Oh no. I accidentally broke my head. Can I eat this? Oh, I can't. Well, it's just a slice of melon. It's just leather. Thank you. Gotta let the helmet now. Very good. Just what I needed. I need to find some other stuff. Just don't just stay. Yeah. I might lose this world soon. The campfire is very useful if you know how to craft it. Oh, it's getting dark now. There might be a creeper. Oh, thank God. Okay. Good morning, world. Oh, such a beautiful sunrise. Oh no. Oh no. But let's go right over there. Well, too deep. I don't want to lose myself in this world. I don't want to lose my axe as well. I'm lagging so bad. Hey, look. It's the cat. Oh no. Oh no, the cat might fall down and take full damage. She's just recreating that scene from the Lion King. Oh my God, it's a lion. That's just a translation. What the heck? That's a deep cave. Let me take another look. Whoa. I'm not going in there. I need a boat. Wow, guess what? I found bamboo. What the heck? Wait, I broke the whole thing. But I just need a sword to cut this down. Well, at least I love my panda. Gotta feed it now. Thanks, bamboo. Thanks, bamboo. I can now feed my panda. My pet panda. Okay, I'm just gonna try find it. Gonna try finding my house as well. Okay, I think we're near it because I think I saw this before. There we go. Oh, thank you for Papa. Oh my God, it's my pet panda. Yes. Eat it. Oh, my panda. My cute little panda. Over here. Over here. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on, panda. You can get over here. Come on, panda. You can do it. My panda. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna keep the panda as my pet. Oh no. Oh no, my dirt. My dirt. My dirt. Okay. No, come on. Come on, panda. Come on, panda. You can do it. Get in there, please, please. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is a legacy. Oh my gosh. Mommy, I finally put my pet panda in my house. And I tamed it with bamboo. I led it to my house with bamboo. Because when you show them what food they like, they follow you. So, mommy, what will I do? Okay, guys, this is the best Minecraft day ever. Like, this means a lot to me, bro. I got my first pet. Oh, no. I think I have to, like, destroy my campfire. Wait, I got charcoal. Charcoal. What the heck? Let's go. Baby there. This one got my lines. Now hey, where's my campfire? Oh no. I kinda destroyed it. I need coal. Oh no. Oh no. Finally. Yes. I can keep my campfire just right over here. Thank you, Panda, for staying with me. I'll heal you. Eat it. You're the best pet. You're the best pet I've ever had in the whole Minecraft world. I tamed you, and please never leave. I love you. Love you so much.